What's up, guys? Today we are getting 2 branches that broke off the tree, like the really old spruce tree, with this little hooky thingy, a bobber. I don't know what it's called. And you can possibly see it. It's right up there. It's pretty high up. And this is the hooky. It's pretty tall. And I will grab it and stab it into like the branch, or like the part of a branch, and then try to pull it down. And that's definitely not my dog. So now let's hop into it. And this thing is kind of heavy because of gravity. Okay. Okay. Sorry, that's heavy. Some gravity. Okay, so now I'll stab it into the branch. Like, I didn't cut anything. I said I stab it this hard. Oh, I'm pulling it. Good. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, this is hard. Get it harder. Okay. Okay. Man, this is getting hard. Now, just get it off the hook, and think I can. Get hooked. Yeah. Oh, I think it's coming down.
Okay, get out of the way because it might hit.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, I got one down.
Okay, guys, I got it. It's hard. Okay.
Jack it over by the driveway. Michael, give Daniel a hand.
Okay, Michael, so can you hold this, please? Thank you. And now I'm gonna need to try to drag it to the driveway. Okay, I got a good grip. This is definitely heavier than me. There's some pine cones. You see? Heaviness, 9,000. I don't think my dog would be able to fit this in his mouth. Oliver. What? Oliver. You want it? He's sniffing it. Okay, did one. Give it. Don't ask what happened to him. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fun videos like this and other ones. And so bye. And the hook. That I forget what it's called. I think I'll just call it a hook.
Bye.
It's a hook. Yeah. It's a hook. It's a hook.